aga-aga. So, before I start my day, I decided to use the one shade na hindi ko pa nasa-swatch. Sea Wine Nut from Colorit. So, ganda ng packaging talaga nito. So, this is how it looks like. Nung in-apply ko siya, sobrang dry ng lips ko, pero hindi siya nakaka-apekto ng bad. Basta hindi siya nagkakaroon ng bad effect. Kasi if you know what I mean, na kapag nag-apply ka ng lipstick, tapos dry yung lips mo, ang pangit sa feeling, and ang pangit sa itsura. Pero tingnan nyo. I can't believe that I'm going to say that. But I said it. This is Wine Nut from Coloret. So if you like this kind of shade, you know what to do. Go get it from the yellow basket.